Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be doing a voiceover again. I feel like I haven't done one in so long, but today's video we are going to do a sleek ponytail. When I tell y'all, this hairstyle is so easy to do, and if you've seen any of my previous ponytail videos, you kind of know the gist. But if you're new here, hey girl, hey. I'm gonna start by pulling my edges, not pulling my edges out, geez. Whew, I haven't done this in a while. By brushing my edges out and then going in with some Ampro Pro Style Gel and a hard bristle brush to brush that into the direction of the ponytail that I wanted to go in. So like I mentioned, this ponytail is super simple because we're gonna be using a drawstring ponytail. Now I know, drawstring ponytails got a bad rep, but there are certain ones that you can finesse, like the one that we have today. After I went in with my Ampro Pro Style Gel, I'm gonna go in with this Gummy wax. Y'all, if you, like I said, if you watched some of my previous ponytail videos, you kind of know what products I use. I'm usually tried and true, but this Gummy wax, do not walk to Amazon or your nearest beauty supply store to purchase it because it is so good. After I put the Ampro Style Gel, the Gummy wax, I'm gonna take my ponytail holders and put my hair into a small bun. Now this is going to basically be our anchor for our ponytail. Okay, so the star of the show, like I mentioned, we're gonna use a drawstring ponytail. This is by Equal, and it is their Yaky straight ponytail. And the reason why I'm using a drawstring ponytail, because usually for my ponytails, I'll probably use like braiding hair or bundles or something like that. But when you want something really quick for a couple of days or just an event, baby, get you a drawstring ponytail, okay? I'm gonna show you how to make it look good. So like I showed, it has some clips and then it also has the string for you to tie it, but we're not gonna leave it like that out the box. We're gonna tie the string so that the ponytail is secure. And then we're going to wrap that string around and use a bobby pin to secure that. Then we're gonna take a section of the ponytail, spray a little bit of spritz, and we're going to wrap that around tightly around the base of the ponytail. And it's looking better already. Just that one step, it's already looking better. So the reason that I feel like drawstring ponytails get a bad rep is because there is no seamless transition sometimes with a drawstring ponytail. It's just like your ponytail and then a drawstring ponytail on top. So by finessing it and adding some hair at the base of the ponytail just makes it look a little bit more seamless and not all in your face. So I just went ahead and did my edges. I used the same products that I used to do the ponytail, the Ampro Style Gel, as well as the Gummy wax. And then I'm gonna go in with some spritz and just spray that around the base of my ponytail and then wrap my hair up so that it can get even more laid. Because I know y'all seen the ponytail snatch, but we want it to really be laid. So I like to tie up the base of my ponytail with about 2 scarves, and then I let that hang out for about 10 minutes. You could keep it on longer if you want, but I had somewhere to go, so I only had 10 minutes to keep this on. So I'm gonna undo my scarves, and this is the grand reveal. You can see the base of the ponytail. You can't even tell that it's a drawstring, babes. Like, come on now. Come on now. But that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super easy, super simple. But I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.